Morning is hard. Waking up early every morning due to hip pain. Still need a hip replacement for this to go away. Everything I do is slow and calculated so I don't stress my heart. I can walk about 15 steps before my chest pain tells me I'm going to have a heart attack. Every morning I put on my Nitro Patch, take a handful of pills to ease my chest pain, and try to stay alive just one more day. I am registered with MAID, Medical Assistant Dying, and have been approved. To get approved with MAID is very hard. You need two doctors for the interview, and must confirm there's no chances of any medical procedure that will prolong your life. My problems are dialysis 3 times a week with zero chance of another kidney transplant. My dialysis is working, but as time goes on, it will get worse. My hip is gone due to all the medication I've taken in the last 40 years. I need a hip replacement for me to be mobile again. My heart arteries are getting blocked from the drugs and kidney problem. After 2 rounds of angiogram and stents to clear the major artery, I'm now having to deal with the back of my heart artery getting clogged. So, what is my outlook? Dialysis for the rest of my life, getting more angiogram and stent to unblock my artery, and once I have recovered from the heart surgery, then I can get a hip replacement. Here is the problem. Getting all those procedures done does not extend my life. It only makes me feel better. And that is a big, big maybe. What does that mean? I may be able to prolong my life with all these procedures and just maybe live the next few years in recovery. I hope I don't die from a heart attack. Or I just end it. My choice is to end it because quality of life is more important to me than prolonging my life. The chance of me getting a heart attack and dying from it is very high, and it's a question of when. Sorry, I'm not that kind of person that would just to have people look after me or not having the ability to contribute to this world. I may not be able to do too much, but I can still think for now, but who knows in the near future. So for me, it's better to end things on my turn than to wait for 911. So, what does quality of life mean to me? Well, I need to be able to walk, pee, yes, take a piss by myself. Kidney people will know what I'm talking about. Take a shower, dress myself, and talk intelligently. I will not go into all the other side effects I have to deal with, like my skin itch so bad that I bleed from scratching. All the exhaustion just from eating or moving around. Dealing with shortness of breath or chest pain every time I walk. Yes, I own a walker, electric wheelchair, etc., to help with my mobility, but it's just not the same of doing it yourself. Just being alive and not able to do anything is not living. It's just prolonging death. In my life, I have seen too many people who requires too much assistance just to stay alive. That's just not who I am. I have the means to hire a personal care 24/7 to look after me. I live in a nursing home, but it only means I stay alive with no quality of life. Don't want to be like my dad while he was in the nursing home. My wife has been looking after me during the last 32 years of my life, and if not for her, I would be dead a long time ago. Christina did almost everything for me to help me live longer, even donating a kidney to me. Living with any type of health condition is hard on yourself and even harder for the spouse. So it's my time to end it because I live a lifetime that meets all my expectation. I've done almost all the things I want to do in my life and I have no regrets. August 30th, 2022 will be my last day, and I will leave behind nothing more than ashes and memories for my families and friends. I have been trying to get rid of all my possession in the last few weeks, but my wife will have to do the rest after I'm gone. My families will scatter my ashes in oceans around the world, and a very small bit of my DNA will forever be part of the ocean's recirculation. For some people, this is the end, and for others, it's only the beginning. I like to think of this as only the beginning, as my DNA will travel his way around the world and one day make it back home in a cloud of rain.